Good morning, party people. Got a decent start yesterday. I think we're ready to drop that subframe. Probably take 30 minutes to get that engine out of that S70. We got the head almost totally rebuilt last night. Maybe ready to bolt that on the engine here when we get back. Probably as soon as we get back. And man, it's just a nice day. A little warmer than expected. Just trugging along, so hopefully we'll get that S70 stuff put back together and fire that thing up tomorrow. We got clutch and all that stuff to put on that old engine, so we're gonna keep rolling. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert. That's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the day, Saturday. Pull apart north. Let's go check out these two new 850s they got. Come out here. Check this 94. Guess what, folks? Looked like it had a manual transmission. Somebody hit it. Looked like they used my video to hit it. Got that thing, man. That's good. Somebody needs to get it. So that's one down, baby. They got it all but the dipstick. Dipstick's still here. Ah, it's busted. Good job, whoever got that. And did they take the oil cap off too? No, they left that. Nice. I guess I'll grab that. Get out of here. They hit it. Beat me to it. May have been out here a week. More milkshake. So disappointing blowing the head gaskets on these things. Wow. It's definite. There's the clutch kit, baby. It was a manual. Has some nifty wells on it too. There it is, folks. Original heater core. Soaking wet. Busted. Blew the engine. And to the graveyard it comes. It even has nice seats, man. Look at these seats. Little wear on them, but they were nice. It wasn't torn up. Dash pad's not bad either. That wouldn't be a bad thing to get. Also a slick top. Got a no sunroof. It's a shame. Let me see if I can find this other one. It's a red wagon T5, baby. Like it's been sitting somewhere a real long time. Dash not bad in this one either, even though the windshield's busted. 117 fake miles. Got a nice inlay on this dash. Somebody wants that, they come get it before somebody destroys it. Had a cargo cover in the back at one time. And it's got jump seats. The kid's favorite. Alright, let me get out of here. Get to my LKQ in Fayetteville, Georgia. Back at this 850R, baby. Getting this work done. Doing the PCV, got the timing, water pump on. Getting ready to pull these oil cooler lines. We're rocking and rolling. So, just wanted to check, see if there's any sludge going down in this engine. Which there is. It's fell in the glove test, so I'm getting ready to clean that out. They can get on these oil cooler lines. I got 2 brand new lines up there collecting dust. I'll never use them. He can have them. He wants to be a purist on this oil cooler line situation. So, hey, you know, car's nice. He wants the oil cooler lines. Go right ahead, man. Better you than me, and better with the intake off than on. So, let's keep this wheel turning. Well, I got everything loose from these oil cooler lines. And I don't have my oil cooler lines. I must have left them at home. So the owner's here. I'm going to ask him block it off or put the leaking ones on, and we'll go from there. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.